Okay, here it is. This is the chute. As you can see, it stands up 15 inches, foot to 15 inches off the ground. Not real sure, but the sides come off, the door comes off. Everything is collapsible except the frame. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag it up to the house, and I'm gonna take the frame and I'm gonna cut it off. And I'm gonna invert this door so that is on the bottom, and that's gonna be my grill. I have a few modifications I'm gonna do to it, but other than that, that is it. And I've got I'm gonna have to weld some angle on the insides for my grate to sit on. My grate is 24 inches and this is 28.5, so I got to come up with 4 inches somewhere, and I think a couple pieces of angle will work perfect. Anyways, showtime! it is. So what we did, we cut the bottom rails off, set it on the ground, and modified the inside. Reworked the top. This was in a bind and it wouldn't let the doors come back together, which we never did re-weld that. I've got to do some more. I've got to bring the welder over here and do some more welding. But this was in a bind. I don't know why, but it was in a bind, and we did. We gusseted it up with this horseshoe. So I guess we did weld it up. But I'm gonna put some more horseshoe gussets and hangers. I want these grills to be able, I want to be able to hang them up. If I'm doing something else, we're talking about doing a rotisserie, cutting a hole in here and making it to where we could put a pipe and we could do a hog in here. It's all talk right now. I'll look at some, see if that's what I want to do. But anyways, oh, uno momento. So, old Kent Rollins, Cowboy, has an ash shovel, and oh man, I need a shovel. Well, as you can see, I built this is out of crepe myrtle. It's a handle off of crepe myrtle and an old shovel I got. And I just went ahead, and since he cuts holes in his, I said, well, I'm just going to put my brand in there. So, there you go. The Wavy Bar B. And I just took an old nail and heated it up and wrapped it around. And I'm probably going to take a horseshoe and hang it. I probably end up hanging it out here. So a lot of my stuff's going to be hanging out here, but this is where my lantern's going to hang. And we switched the doors around because I wanted this low side, so if I had a lantern hanging here, the light would shine, because that door stands up too much and it would put too much of a shadow. So we modified it to what I wanted, and there you go. So I'm signing off for the second time. Thank you very much. Follow us on Facebook. We have a Facebook, Riverbanks Outdoor Adventures. I don't have Twitter or Instagram, but follow us on Facebook, and do appreciate it. Jason Bryant, Riverbanks Outdoor Adventures. See y'all on the banks.